wanted to show you, we made a little stop here at a bar, and there are three young beautiful ladies. The first lady actually in the front here played a little insect, and she was welcoming everybody, and the two other ladies are very friendly greeters, and everybody's taking pictures. There's obviously some tourist action going on, and I'm going into the butterfly garden right now. Wanted to show you the beautiful vegetation here. I absolutely love these plants. Now I don't know what they're called, but this is the special surprise here, the butterfly garden. People coming out already.
Yeah.
Butterflies flitting around in here. And this is kind of interesting where you can really see them very well. The butterflies are just hanging here. Sort of hanging. There's another one here. This one doesn't look too good, I don't think. More butterflies hanging. These ones are a little bit more visible. A whole bunch of them. I don't know. This one is beautiful. Look at that. There's one sitting here. Very fascinating butterfly with a big eye. More butterflies sitting here. Okay. And you can see everybody snapping pictures here of the action. There are these amazingly intensely colored blue butterflies floating around up there. We can get a picture of them. Floating around all over the place. We are now in Limon province, which is the easternmost province of Costa Rica, part of the Caribbean. Really nice little flowers. Those blue butterflies again, trying to get out of the enclosure. See them floating around here. Let's see if there's one sitting in there in the back. They obviously love pineapple. I'll show you. Right here. And then...
Oh, that's good luck, Larry. Let's go to the casino.
Okay. It's not a large space here, but definitely full of butterflies. Hot lips. That's what this plant is called. Huge. What a huge one. I'm going to show you this butterfly here in a second. People are obviously fascinated. Oh God. Huge.